What is going on YouTube? Brad's Garage here, back with another video. Today, as you could tell, I got a front lip for the Ford Mustang. So it's gonna go right down there. There's my dog. So it comes with these clips that you screw in. And then I also got some hardware to actually screw it in properly to the car so then they don't fall off if I accidentally scrape on something or if they just wear off over time. So all you're gonna need for me is I got a set of 1/4-inch washers. I got some M16 1.0 hex nuts, and then we got 20mm M6 bolts. This will allow it to go up through the bumper and allow some space for that nut. So yeah, we're gonna get straight into it here. It's gonna take a few seconds for me to get the holes drilled because they don't come OEM with those with the holes for the front splitter. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab a drill bit and our drill, and I'm gonna line up I'm gonna line it up, and then we're gonna get into drilling holes into it so we can get it done. Alright guys, what I'm gonna do with this lip here is I got a permanent marker, and I'm gonna line it up how I see fit of how I like it at the corners. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark them. So just going on here real quick. You can line it up right there at the end. And you can use your leg to lift up the other end once you get under your foot. Basically, all you want to do is you want to make it nice, as you can see, nice and flat up against the car. Grab your marker and just literally all you gotta do, mark that first hole. Once we got that first hole mixed up, what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep continuing to line it up. Line up the first hole, and then you line up this second hole right there. Now, all we gotta do is move back a little bit to the other side. Get in the shop, dog. Come on, dog. Come on. That's my dog. My other dog. Don't mind. Don't mind her. Yeah, same as the first side, we're gonna do with this side as well. So we're gonna line it up at the corner. Make sure it's all lined up where the fender is and such. Line up the first one, line up that second one. There we go. Now that we got these two lined up on each side, we're gonna drill up and in, and then we're gonna bolt those on, and then we're gonna line up the other ones and immediately drill tap them. There we go. Let's go to that other side here where I get these ones drilled as well. There we go. Now all we're gonna do is we're gonna get them loosely fitted on there, And then we're gonna line up the rest of the holes. Alrighty. As I'm setting them up, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a washer. It's kind of hard to see, but I'm gonna do a washer on the top, washer on the bottom to split the difference, and then we're gonna get these screwed in by hand real quick. We're gonna go underneath and find where I drilled it in, which is right there. And like I said before, just hand tighten for now. We'll get the a wrench and something else to get that. Don't let it fall on you like I just did. Always make sure to hold it up. Don't worry about it flexing around. It's plastic, so it's not gonna break. Of course, I dropped the washer. Oh, jeez, I'm a jack, you guys. I am a Jackie. It's alright. See, now all I'm doing is I'm holding it up. There we go, and you could already kind of see the vision of how it's going to look like. It's going to look pretty good, I'd say. Pretty good. Next, all we're going to do, grab our drill. Actually, we're going to mark the holes. Sorry, we're going to mark them. We're going to mark them, and then we're going to go back in with it. But as you can see, I'm just pushing up, making sure it's nice and even. And I'm marking the hole, nice and even. Just going along down the car. And as you can see, just me rough fitting it, this front lip already looks really good. Boom. Alrighty. Now we're just going to be reversing the steps. We're going to take that off real quick and we're going to drill the rest of those holes. Alrighty guys, the next morning I do have that front lip all installed, and boy does it make this car look real good. I'm not gonna show the full size of the car just because it was in the last, actually it was in the last video. As you can probably see, I painted the wheels black on the Mustang, and boy does it make this car look so much more meaner and tougher. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get under here. All I did was bolt it in all along the underneath part, as you could kind of see if it focuses or not. But the bolts are all bolted up right there. And so yeah, this car looking absolutely tough now. Is it as fast as it is tough? Probably not, but you know, you'll get the idea. Looks stunning, as you can tell. Alrighty folks, this is going to be the video for the front lip. If you want to check out how I painted those wheels in the last video, it'll be linked down there in the box that pops up for you. But yeah, thank you very much and have a good rest of your day.